If you look at this question now, in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to pi by 2 is told in the problem. This is angle A which is given in the problem as 90 degree. So let me call this is B, this is C. So I can say A plus B plus C should be equal to 180 degree, and this angle A itself is 90 degree, B plus C, that is equal to 180 degree. So your value of B plus C will be equal to 90 degree. So your value of C will be equal to 90 minus B, correct or not? 90 degree minus B, complementary angle. So I can say here, this value can be written as cos squared B plus cos squared. C can be written as from equation 1. C can be written as 90 degree minus B, correct or not? So I can say cos squared B plus cos, I can write like this, cos of 90 degree minus B, the whole square, correct or not? Cos 90 minus theta will be what? Sin theta. So cos squared B plus sin squared B I'll get. So cos, since why is it? What is the reason? Cos of 90 degree minus theta, that is equal to what theta? Sin theta. And again there is a square, right? So sin squared theta. Cos squared theta plus sin squared theta. What is the answer? 1 will be the answer to the question.